Hello investors, this is Dale again, your real estate salesperson from Ember East. And now we are here at the dress-up model unit of Studio 21.30 square meter of Ember East, Highland City. And this unit nga po pala is good for personal use or business rentals like Airbnb and staycation para meron tayong passive income. And now currently I'm here at living and dining area. And pwede tayo dito maglagay ng dining table or side table para mas ma-maximize at magkaroon tayo ng space sa ilalim. And this side naman po is pwede tayo maglagay ng flat screen TV. And naka-standard window na rin tayo for our safety purposes ng mga unit owners, lalo na pag meron tayong mga batang kasama, since high-rise towers yung ating ino-offer. And ditong side naman is may allotted space tayo dyan for air condition or AC. Bali bubutasin na lang siya upon turnover. Alright, ditong side naman is for our walk-in closets or pwede ring hanging cabinets para mas lumuwag pa yung ating unit. Alright, yung size nga po pala ng floor to ceiling natin is 2.7 meters or 9 feet. And possible pa tayo maglagay dito ng loft bed. And ito po kasi is naka-drop ceiling siya. And ito po talaga yung size ng ceiling natin. Alright, proceed naman po tayo dito sa ating kitchen area. Sa ating kitchen area, kasama na po namin dinidelivered itong over and under counter cabinets. And of course, sink and faucet kasama na rin po. And may nakaabang na dyan sa ilalim na grease trap. And of course, provision space for induction cooker and range hood exhaust. And of course, allotted space for our fridge. Ayan. Alright. Let's proceed for our toilet and bath. Lahat po ng toilet and bath natin is may allotted space for washing machine. Ang applicable lang is yung automatic. And may access na rin po tayo dyan for electricity and water. And kasama na rin po namin delivered itong lavatory, toilet bowl, and naka-rain type shower na tayo. Once again, this is a dress-up model unit only. But this is not the exact deliverables of our actual unit upon turnover. But to give you an idea on how you to decorate your unit with your own style. And when it comes naman po sa price natin is, need lang natin dito ng for as low as 14,000 monthly. Payable siya in 5 years na wala siyang interest. And of course, wala rin pong down payment. And sa requirements naman natin, need lang natin dito ng just 2 valid IDs and 1 proof of billing. And of course, reservation fee. And for more details, please send me a message on the contact info on your screen and set an appointment with me. Thank you.
N-O-O-N-S, pinapakita ko the best. Yeah, walang mintes. Kita mo naman dating, swabe ng bihes. Nakakalula yung pangarap, kaya fuck the rest. Musika lang ang droga. Nagtatanim ng mga bomba, walang koka. Pero pwedeng mapatoma, walang boka. Seryoso lang yung sinasabi, walang bola. Hoy, makinig ka. Marami pa akong pipihitin, mga plano pa ikutin. Yung ideya paramihin para di na ako mabitin. Alam ko naman sa dulo mamumunga aanihin. Masarap yung kakainin, bakit di ko pipilitin? Kalmado sa hood, nag-iisip lang ng movie. Sasama ko goods, yung mga ayaw remove. Yung mga tunay na goons na kumalayo sa tools. Alam na yung pasikot-sikot, kaya don't be confused. Kahit hindi na umalis, alam mo nang may dating. Gusto ko lang iparating na merong mararating. Kung maraming palusot, baliwala yung galing. Hasain ka na muna bago ka tumaling. Pakitaan ng resulta bago yabang. Huwag ka masyadong mapusok, hindi lahat kalaban. Yung iba gustong tumulong, yung iba naman gahaman. Pero sa mga yan wala kang dapat na aasahan.